Hey guys, I just want to show you where to find inline feedback in your assignments because you're going to need to know what that is and where that is in order to complete your final draft of your essay. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your English 106A course. You will see at the top where it says grades, progress, overdue, and contact your teacher. If you click on progress, it's going to take you to a screen that looks like this. You're going to click on assignments. When you look at your assignments, it's going to bring up all of the written assignments that you have. So you're just going to scroll down. I'm going to take you down here to the assignment for the rough draft. And what you're going to do is you're going to look at details. So it'll look like this. If you click on the details, you will click View Inline Feedback. When you click on the View Inline Feedback, what you will see is suggestions that I have made on the actual document that you submitted. And I will give you edit suggestions, revision suggestions, wording suggestions, mechanical, grammatical suggestions, edits, revisions. So you want to look through those. You're going to click on inline feedback, look at the suggestions that I give to you. Then you're going to go into your draft that you have saved on your computer. You're going to make those corrections and revisions, and then you are going to save that draft as your final draft, and you will upload that in the 7.3 final draft Dropbox. I will give you some feedback on that as well, but I just want to make sure that you guys know where to find your feedback, especially for this rough draft, because that is where you will see some revisions and edits that I suggest that you make, and you will find those again in the inline feedback. Make those corrections, save that corrected draft as your final draft, and you will upload it into the assignment Dropbox for the 7.3 final draft. Let me know if you guys have any questions.